Pop quiz. What do software engineers at Google, SAP, Microsoft, Amazon, and IBM have in common? Pirple.com. There are engineers from all of these companies using Pirple right now to keep their coding skills fresh. Pirple focuses on continuing education for software engineers. We offer online courses in C++, Python 3, Node.js, HTML and CSS, JavaScript ES6, Swift 4 and Xcode, Kotlin, Android Studio, and more. But at Pirple, you don't just watch video lectures. You go hands-on. You write code, you submit homeworks, you take tests and final exams, and you participate in group discussions. Our online courses replicate a real classroom environment as much as possible. We have teaching assistants standing by to help you troubleshoot your code. You can discuss any programming topics you like with your classmates in the student forum, and your homework assignments are graded by hand by the course instructors. We also offer email, live chat, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and phone support. So when you have questions, it's easy to get answers. If you want to learn to code, or just learn new technologies to keep your coding skills fresh, join Pirple today. Pirple, continuing education for software engineers.